Coming up in this hour, the rise and rise and rise of your own dashboard cameras. Police now have a surge in DIY traffic cop data. But would you shop a fellow motorist? Meanwhile, in other news, dead
all on YouTube. Thanks for subscribing.
The government plans to crack down on absence.
A large number of dairy cattle as well, so they are nowadays trainers and farmers. That's the ovation for Richard Johnson. And the thing about jump racing is it started in the countryside.
Oh, that's interesting. The lights are out. Anyone's guess.
Security policy.
Okay, thank you very much indeed. That's Elmar Brock, MPP.
Go on then.
Senior member in Angular Motor.
Get all that bloody lane to do that.
Completely optimistic after that conversation.
Oh, for goodness sake.
I do have friends and family
And its critics. Their solution is to make you, all of you, less free. They want to sweep right under the carpet the failure of school.
Long time for the best now. Trying to juggle with the weight now. Many means to be fake found.
Competition are not able to create the desired outcome. Not my words. So.
Oh yeah, just go around it. It's cool.
Make this case from healthcare
And it hints at problems with criminal justice enforcement, saying, for example, that the number of people suspected of robbery who've been charged has actually fallen as a proportion of the total robbery offences. But it doesn't go on to explain why that's happening.
That's the right side of the road, isn't it?
This music video though was an example of how in the 90s people got super excited about being able
If you're going to do this, speed up! Whoops. Get off your phone, you idiot! You're in a bus lane, darling. Oh, well done.
But there's something about it.
These two.
Online, and as you say, on the high street, crime markers do very well. ASOS has obviously been a huge success story. £1 billion he's still going to report.
Oh yeah, just run the red light, mate. Don't worry about it. It's cool.
170 million.
Anybody down here? You can't wait.
Absolutely.
Well, there is some suggestion that some companies aren't intending to report at all, but we will get a full picture of the gender pay gap using this measure at least for UK companies and public sector bodies by the end of tomorrow. Okay, let's talk to Sheila Rebecca.
Off your phone, mate. Get off your phone. Phone. Don't matter, it's still 6 points and £200 fine, mate.
Fair enough, boss. Fair enough.
And it's on camera too.
Fair enough, fair enough.
I'm pretty sure bus just jumped that red light.
I absolutely am concerned about it. I think it was in 2004 that I'm concerned about it. I think it was in 2000 learning a language was made non-compulsory from the age of 4.
Alright.
Are allowed to be proud of their flag. English or not? I say we English because I know there are people who listen from all over.
Oh dear, there's like an engine fire there.
Imagine what it's like to be a...
Oh dear, there's like an engine fire there.
Imagine what it's like to be a road motorway.
Rocked, where you're the only one in the room laughing. Yeah, I mean, I laughed a lot more at the bloke that rocked, but there were 2 or 3 times. There was one particular gag which I won't repeat because I don't want to spoil it. But they
have had the best odds on the World Cup.
Northbound, they're accused. 2 lanes are closed between junction 4 for Hertford and junction 6 for Welwyn Garden City because of an accident. In Kent, there were delays on the M25 anti-clockwise to the Dublin Tunnel. That's after a car broke down earlier on.
It's like the daily breakfast. Every day there's something to entertain us. Yes, and the political divisions between the government and the Labour Party, as you said, are now getting...
Insurance for up to 3 drivers. Servicing warranty. Insurance Limited. Peugeot Motor Company PLC, a credit broker not a lender, will introduce you to PSA Finance UK Limited.
Oh, wrong lane.
LBC Travel, there's just been an accident on the M12.
Well, with income now outpacing inflation, it's the start of a trend to support GDP growth for others. But I think, nevertheless, it's just a welcome respite after a slow start to the year for retailers.
No, Rolls-Royce.
That guy picking cigarette butts off the floor.
Unfortunately so, it's 4,600 in total that being.
They've also vetoed any separate independent investigation into the chemical weapons attack in Duma, although it looks like the Organisation for the Prohibition of...
Yes, there isn't any doubt that the potential is there in most prisons.
Oh.
But excuse me,
alright.
if those prisons are well managed and the staff are well deployed and well skilled...
Celsius and a very warm and sunny day tomorrow with highs of 25. Another check on Nottingham.
Colourblind bastard. That's how it's done. See, this guy gets it. It's not difficult.
The single market if we chose it.
Right, so why were none of these things discussed prior?
Well, they were. This is what people are saying. This is discussed. Of course it was.
It'll be fine. I can just get back as normal. It's going. It's going. It's going to be an issue.